What are your thoughts on the future of filmmaking with the rise of AI?
I think that a question that every filmmaker right now is facing is the constant change of workflow. And one of the big question mark points right now is artificial intelligence. And I think we're using that term too broadly. There are a variety of different methods. There's of AI, it's like we use that to describe all sorts of things, but there are ways in which generative AI is a different thing than something that's called AI, that's just an algorithm that makes certain processes easier. So I think that I'm not somebody that is afraid of the fact that there might be ways to do things that are, more easily, or there might be a way to speed up the process. I welcome those sort of changes. I welcome ways of saving money, saving time. At the same time, I'm not worried that an algorithm that's pulling from pre-existing material is going to create what the human experience is capable of creating. It's that fundamental reality that we've gone through birth, we've gone through the trauma of life, we've gone through the beauty and love and passion of life. An algorithm can't go through that thing. It can only mimicry that. It can only create imitation. And I think there are ways in which that might, advantage us and obviously create job challenges with certain parts of filmmaking, but I don't see it ultimately consuming filmmaking. I think there are other major concerns with AI that are much bigger than the filmmaking industry, and that comes back to the energy cost of data centers, and how much money it's costing them they're literally losing money right now in order to continue expanding in those markets. They can only do that so long before it has to do something that's fundamentally useful and frankly money-making. And so that's going to continue to find itself. And I think filmmaking has faced the advent of sound, it faced 3D. You watched in the music industry, piracy, and also they've faced for a lot longer than film. They've faced this sort of creating digital artists and other things. Ultimately, people want to see human films made by humans. And I think that's not going to go away, regardless of whether AI makes certain processes easier or more cost efficient.